Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status using your flight number in the Transavia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the status button at the bottom of the page. And it is already set to the flight number button, but just click on that to make sure. And first you have to provide your flight number, and then you have to provide the departure date. And after that, just click on the search button and the status of your flight will appear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.